Yo guys, it's Galloping Golly AJ back here today with another Animal Jam video. So today I am going to teach you how to make thumbnails. So this is how I make thumbnails because I know lots of people don't know how to make thumbnails. I never really used to know how to make thumbnails. So first you need to go to Google and go to what is it? Sorry. Pixlr.com. Okay? The link will be in the description. You will, hang on, let me open it. You will end up like this. So you want to go create a new image. For the width, you do 1280. For the height, you do 720. And then you click transparent and go OK. So here is what it's going to look like. Then you go search a background. So I'm just find a background. For this one, I'm just going to be going with this. So you go to save image, background. Just do that. So and then save it. Doesn't really matter the size because you can resize that. Then you want to go back to Online Photo Editor. You go File, Open Image, and then pick it. So here's my background. And then you open. So then it comes up like this. You don't really want the back like this. So you got to go Control A. Once again, Control A, Control C, and then exit out of that, Control V. So then it has it. Yes, it's not the right size. So you go to Edit, Free Transform. Now this is how you're going to be able to size it. In order to size it, you need to hit Shift, hold Shift down, and then you can size however you want it to be sized. So I'm going to make it fit as well as I can. So there. Then just click off and save your changes. That's how you get your background. Now for AJ logos, you can just go, if you want an AJ logo, Animal Jam transparent, so you don't have to erase anything. Transparent logo. Then since I already have it, I'd go to my file. You would have to right click it and save image again. But since I already have it, I will do it. You have to go back to open image and then click it. So then there it is. Then you have to do the same thing over again. Control A, Control C, exit out of it, no, because you already have it saved, and then Control V. And then once again, if you want to resize it, you go to Edit, Free Transform, hold Shift down, and then resize it to however you want. Then off click, and then hit yes. So if you want your Animal Jam animal, you can just look up a picture or actually go to the Animal Jam site, log on, use snipping tool or however you take screenshots on your computer, screenshot it, and then put your animal in here. So I already think I have an animal. I have a pic of it. It's no way. So here it is. Once again, you're going to have to do the Control A, Control C, log out, or no, do that, and then Control V. So as you can see here, just going to make this bigger so you can see. As you can see, I have a background. I don't want a background. So you're going to go over here to Eraser. Then you just got to erase what you don't want. So I'm going to erase this. I'm going to do a very crappy job just for the sake of this video, but it doesn't really matter. It's basically just, I'm not even gonna save this because I don't really need to. This is just for your purposes, so you guys know how to make a thumbnail, and then just finish that off. It takes a while. Okay, so again, it's not my best work, but it's just for the video. Okay, so I'm done with it now. So then you want to go back up to here, click it, and then if you want anything, you want text, okay? So you want text, you gotta go to add text and just click randomly. So then you got this text box. You're gonna type whatever you want. So your. Then you can change the size. It only lets you go up to 130. But you can change the size, change the color. Now if you want to change the color, remember to change that too. And then you can just change the color. So I'll keep it on red. Okay? And then you can change the font. I'll just keep it at that. Okay. So a lot of people want to know, oh my god, how do you do that? Like, the layers. So you go to layer, you go to layer styles, and then if you want the drop shadow, that's what it looks like. So then you go okay. Then just for the sake, YouTube logo transparent. And then you gotta go to File, Open Image. Where's my YouTube logo? Just put it in, YouTube logo. And then Control A, C, V. God damn it. Backspace. Go back to that. Okay, so then I'm not gonna even, what is that? I'm not even gonna bother to resize that. But your YouTube. And then I could do thumbnail down here. I might actually use this. No, I want, what the hell? Why? I need my layer 3. There we go. So you have your layers over here, so if you ever want to move something around, you must click your layer first, unless you're adding something new. So then, it keeps happening. Let me move that back up here. So then I'm going to add another text for YouTube thumbnail. And 154. Want it red. Oh my god. Sometimes stuff doesn't work. And you do not have to sign in for anything. As you can see, I'm not signed in or anything. You don't have to sign in or anything, which is very amazing. Oh my god. Okay, I'm coming just a second. Sorry guys. I have dinner soon. But it's really nice because you don't have to sign in or anything. So this is what it's like. So I really hope you enjoyed this video, because I worked hard for you guys, of course, because I love you guys. And yeah, the hands or feet are cut off, or whatever, it doesn't matter. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe if you liked it. Bye.